Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your can't download apps from Play Store problem. So it's pretty simple, so watch this video till the end to know how you guys can fix this problem. So the first reason why this problem could be arising is if you have a slow internet connection. So if you guys have a slow internet connection, then of course you can't download anything from Play Store. So make sure your internet connection is stable. And the other thing is make sure your storage, you have enough storage to download the app. If your storage is full, then you won't be able to download the app as well. So let's say the app is of 1 GB and you only have like 500 MB available in your phone, then you can't download the application due to insufficient storage. So make sure you have sufficient storage to download the application. Then the other thing you can do is hold on Play Store icon, click on app info, and over here you can go on permissions and make sure all the permission is turned over here. And after all the permission is turned on, go on your Play Store again and try to download it again. And if it still doesn't work, the other thing you can do is go on storage usage, click on clear data, then click on clear. What this is going to do is clear all the cache stored on your Play Store. Then after clearing the data, make sure to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, enter Play Store again, log into your account, and then try to download the app. And if it still doesn't fixes the problem, the other thing you can do is go on your setting, and on your setting go on app management over here. And on app management, it could be app management or app manager on your phone. And on your app manager, search for download manager over here. As you guys can see, download manager, click on download manager, click on storage usage, click on clear data, and click on clear. Click your storage manager's data as well. And after doing that, make sure to restart your phone, click on Play Store and enter Play Store. It should fix your problem. And if it still doesn't fixes it, the last thing you can do is go on setting, and from here you can go to accounts and sync. And on accounts and sync, make sure to after you come over here, make sure to log out from your Google account. Click on the Google account and click on delete, and the Google account will be deleted from your phone. And after that, restart your phone and enter Play Store again, and then log into your Gmail account again, and that should fix the problem. So these are all the various steps you can perform to fix your can't download apps from Play Store problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any questions related with this video, feel free to comment down below and I'll help you solve your problems. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.